Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to Cook with Hasiba. In today's video I am going to show you how to make quick and easy beef sukka, and the ingredients for that are 250 grams of beef, chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, ginger and garlic paste, chicken kebab masala and some salt to taste. And also I have taken one big size onion sliced, few curry leaves and some lemon juice. Now in a pressure cooker, add the washed beef. Now make sure that you have taken big chunks of fat into this beef. This is the reason why I am not going to add the oil. Now immediately add all the ingredients except the chicken masala and the onion, curry leaves and lemon. That we will add it later. Now mix the masala so well that each piece of the beef should be infused with the masala. After giving it a mix, I am not going to add too much water in this, as beef contains lots and lots of water. It will get boiled within its water itself. As you can see, the water is coming out. Keep mixing until the water releases, and then with half a cup or half a glass of water, you can leave it for 5 to 6 whistles. I am adding very little water and leave it for 5 to 6 whistles. Now once you open the cooker, make sure that there shouldn't be any water left. If the water is left, then you can dry it out. And if the piece of the beef is not softened, you can again let it for few more whistles. Now checking the whistle. After switching off the flame, just check the pressure and then check whether the beef is been boiled or not. Now our beef is kind of ready here. As you can see, there is no water left. I am going to keep the flame on high and adding some lemon juice on top of this. Now while adding the lemon juice, make sure there shouldn't be a single drop of water. The meat so well that the lemon juice should be infused in every single piece of the beef. Keep mixing and roasting it, because we are not adding a single drop of oil here. Now the kebab should be roasted at this point. Once the kebab is roasted, I am going to add the sliced onion and few curry leaves. Now if you are going to add fresh curry leaves, it's well and good. As I am in Abu Dhabi, here the curry leaves gets black very easily. So I always store them by drying them. But if you are adding fresh curry leaves, it will really smell very good. Give it a mix and again roast the curry leaves and onions too. As you can see, at this point I am going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken kebab masala. Now you can add any brand chicken kebab masala and roast it again so that the raw smell of the kebab masala can be fade away. Now this is the delicious beef fry without oil is ready. You can dish it out. Now this is the secret recipe of my mother. Whenever we feel like eating something spicy, tasty and quick, we always opt to this recipe. This is very easy to make and quick to serve. Now if you like my recipes, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also share my videos to your near and dear ones. Thanks for watching, and also let me know in the comment section what recipe you would like me to upload. Thank you so much.